Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some conditionals here. So I'm going to start off, create the first subroutine, and it's going to be called my if. Okay, so we're going to create a scalar variable here. So my scalar name is equal to Bill. Okay, so first conditional, if scalar name is equal to Bill, we're going to do something. And we're simply going to print hi. We've got scalar name. Okay, now all I'm going to do is just call it my if statement. Okay, let's call it hi Bill. Okay, so there you go, we've called it. Right, okay, let's do the next one on here. I'll tell you what, I'm going to knock the font size up a couple of notches. Let's try that. Okay. Right, the next one I'm going to do is subroutine, and that's going to be my if else. Here, so again, my scalar name is going to be equal to Dave. Okay, conditional, first conditional, if scalar name is equal to Bob, just make this look a little bit neater, is equal to Bob, we're going to do something. We're going to print hi Bob, new line there, and here we go, else. So else, we're just simply going to print who are you. Oops. Okay, new line character there. Let's call it. So it's going to be my if else. Okay, so let's call it. So the name is equal to, if the name is equal to Bob, print hi Bob, or else print who are you. So let's call it that. So who are you? It's Bob here. Bob. Save that. Let's run it. Hi Bob. So there you go. Right, the next one we're going to do. Okay everybody, this is going to be if elsif else. So I'm going to print something here, say enter name. Okay, so that's going to be my scalar name is equal to standard input here. It's going to be chomp scalar name. Okay, so if let's say scalar name is equal to, let's say Dave. Okay, good old Dave. If the scalar name is equal to Dave, I'm going to print something. Print hello Dave. Okay, elsif, let's say scalar name is equal to Paul. Print hi Paul. Okay, else print who are you? New line character. Okay, all we have to do now is to call it, so by its ridiculously long name, if, else, if, else. Okay, so let's do that. Let's call that. So enter a name. So let's enter a name. Let's enter Dave. Okay, Dave. Hello, Dave. Okay, let's run it again. Let's enter the next name. Paul. So let's enter Paul here. Hi, Paul. Okay, let's enter a name that's not in here. Bill. Who are you? So there you go. Check that out. Okay, we're going to start off with the unless. So sub unless 1. Okay. So we're going to create my scalar A equal to 10, my scalar B equal to 11. So unless scalar A is equal to scalar B, print A not equal to B. Okay. Else print both sides are equal. Okay, we're just going to call it now. So let's have a look at this. Unless that's going to be 1 there. So we've got my scalar A is equal to 10, my scalar B is equal to 11. So unless scalar A is equal to B, print A not equal to B, else print both sides are equal. So let's have a look at this. Let's run it. And it says A is not equal to B, exactly. So let's just make them equal, shall we? So let's just do that. Okay, so both sides are equal. Okay, right. Let's carry on, and we're going to do a little operator here, conditional operator. So I'm going to call it subcon operator. Okay, so I'm going to say my scalar country here is equal to Germany. Okay, and my scalar result is equal to scalar country is not equal to Germany. And then that, and not German. Okay. And then we're going to print here. Print I am from scalar country and scalar result. Okay. Let's call that operator. Okay. So if the country is not Germany, so you get not German, or else if the country is, you get the result I am from this country. So let's just run that. Okay, let's have a look. Did you forget to declare global symbol result? Okay guys, forgot to do this. So let's just say Guten Tag. Okay, so let's just save that. Let's just run it. Okay, I'm from Germany. Guten Tag. Okay, because my country is Germany. Okay, that's just about it for this video. So thank you very much for coming along, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.